Australia is the world's second largest exporter of thermal coal, a valuable resource used for power and heat generation. Peabody Energy is the world's largest private sector coal company and a global leader in sustainable mining, energy access, and clean coal solutions. Peabody owns and operates the Wilpinjong Coal Mine in New South Wales, Australia. Wilpinjong is an open-cut mine that employs 550 people, operates some 330 pieces of equipment, and produces a high-quality thermal coal for export and domestic markets. Wilpinjong is one of the lowest-cost coal mining operations in Australia. A fleet of Haulmax 3900 support trucks designed for extended distance hauling and reliable performance was selected for work at Wilpinjong. The fleet includes 3 water trucks with Kador water tanks, 2 service trucks equipped with barred service modules that dispense fuel, lubricants, and compressed air to mine equipment, and a 160-ton low-bed trailer for moving equipment within the mine. The design of the Haulmax trucks with their lower level of components minimizes many of the working at height issues that exist with other similar-sized machines. These lower, easy-to-reach components reduce the risk of injury for maintenance technicians, making servicing easier and reducing the PM duration.
The applications which the Haulmax product primarily suit was the long-haul application, so the long-haul coal application with a good TKPH rating for the truck. A lot of the long-haul applications and the tyre limits, our traditional products are limited, so the Haulmax truck with the extra wheels and the larger GVM assists in that application.
The most predominant reason and why our product was really designed in the first place is to provide a solution for extended distance hauls. So any particular applications where you have a project that's restricted by road width is another area where the truck can offer a competitive advantage to our customers. The truck having dual axle rear wheel drive, so traction. For service trucks, they're often a machine that is needing to operate in wet conditions, so getting out to service drills, dozers, a machine still operating after a rain event is something our machine can offer over, say, a single axle off-highway truck. The truck's also got a very low centre of gravity and a long flat chassis, which when you're looking at a water truck from a stability point of view is attractive, but also in a service truck application it keeps the work areas, the reels and the workstations nice and low for the operator and close to the ground.
The commonality of the parts in the Haulmax product has really helped with acceptance on the mine sites.
The Haulmax 3900 product is predominantly Caterpillar components and parts. We see the advantages of using Caterpillar components because it can be serviced through a Caterpillar dealer anywhere in the world.
It sends a very strong message to a customer when they're travelling to Tasmania, a very small part of the world, to look at buying a truck that's built here that they're not overly familiar with. To see that the dealer supports it and that CAT endorse and support it is definitely a very strong selling point for us.
The Haulmax guys were outstanding in helping with that application match of the Haulmax product. It was just like working with Caterpillar.
Onboard diagnostics on Haulmax trucks are provided by Caterpillar and identical to those on other CAT machines, so technicians are often familiar with them from other machines in their fleets and better able to understand and operate the diagnostics, which improves machine uptime.
Technology is a big thing for Haulmax, and we have got a very diverse group of engineers and electrical designers where we are at the forefront of technology. So with integrated product link into our 3900, we were able to monitor the machines throughout the world to understand operation, faults, diagnostics and utilisation of the product. With any long distance haulage truck, tyre life and maintenance is a big cost. So with our integrated tyre pressure monitoring system, we're able to monitor pressure and temperature. The tyre pressure monitoring system can ensure that the tyres are maintained correctly and extend the service life of the tyres and reduce the operating cost of the machine. When a customer buys one of our trucks, we work closely with them initially to ensure that the critical maintenance parts are there on site with the truck to support it.
We've been able to prove not only to the dealer but to the end user that we are able to support our products in remote locations, that we always do what we say we're going to do.
We're a dynamic team and we can adapt quickly.